What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, excuse me, please know that this is not financial advice. You can do whatever you like with your money. And that being said, let's take a sip of coffee from my Casper Maxi mug. Everything, guys, everything tastes better with Casper. Today we about to do the same thing we do every day. We about to look on the market performance for the past 24 hours. We will check on our positions. Actually, I will show you my positions like always. Please, you just have to do is follow along to see whether your positions are going up, down, maybe just going sideways, or maybe you'll be like, oh, it is happening just like we said. Okay, and we'll also look at pricing a little bit details. Like I told you guys, I like to do that every day for obvious reasons. But anyways, before we get to that, let's talk about tier 1 listings. Everybody's asking, like, okay, when is Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, Grandpa, whoever that they have on the basement, when are they going to list Casper? That's what everybody's been asking lately. And you gotta understand something. Tier 1 exchanges, they are businesses, they are companies. Understand, they are companies in the sense of that they do not miss inflows, not just inflows, big inflows of money. That's what tier 1s, they don't miss. And I'm telling you guys, it's like this Casplex releasing smart contracts on Casper is the icing on the cake. Okay, right there is the icing on the cake. Why? There is going to be, first of all, a lot of transaction volume. And how do exchanges make their money? With that transaction volume. Now, Casplex, when they released the first time they released the smart contract, we had a transaction of what, 50, 60 billion dollars, something like that. There was a very high number. I can't really recall what it was. It was a very high number for only for excuse me, only for what, 4 or 5 hours. Now we're talking about the rumors have already been said out there. Not just the rumors, because the developers themselves, they have already confirmed that they are going to have stable coins on Casper when the smart contract get released. They're going to have that. And you guys already know, just like I've said time after time, okay? Go look at other chains. Look at other chains, and then you compare them side by side. It's like side by side of each chain, and you understand something. Ethereum versus Solana. People were using Solana because it was cheaper than Ethereum, even though that shit coin keeps crashing, but it was a better alternative than Ethereum. Then comes Tron. Tron, in its stablecoin ecosystem, people started ditching Solana, using Tron on their transactions. Why? Again, Tron is cheaper than Solana and is more stable. Now, when you bring the bigger shark, which is you bring the bigger shark, which is Casper, which is like one faster. Oh, come on. Which is 1 faster, 2 cheaper, and 3 more secure. There you go. You got an icing on the cake. You've already seen people, Kraken has already started making announcements. They have already started making announcement that they are going to list Casper. Binance, they already have Casper, but it's on leverage trading. It's not on a spot trading yet. And then there are some sketchy moves that when you follow, I always tell you guys, just follow the money. If you follow the money, you'll be surprised what you find in that rabbit hole. Just follow the money. You already have them, okay? There are shitty moves, like some kind of strange moves. When you look on Mexi, for example, they're consolidating their wallets. I told you guys the other day, normally when they're about to sell to a bigger exchange, they usually consolidate their wallets. Exchanges, they keep the coins in different wallets for security reasons. But when they're about to make a big sale, they usually start consolidating those wallets. Now, if you're somebody like me that checks on the crypto market every day, like when I wake up, I usually go, scroll through the news, scroll through wallet moving and stuff like that, you will see it. Mexi is doing something like that. And there are other small exchanges that are also doing something like that. Now, the question is, what are they doing it? Why are they doing it? Are they going to sell to Coinbase, to Binance, to Kraken? What is happening? But that right there, somebody like me, it puts me on alert to try to track those wallets to see what's going on. Understand? So it is something that you have to put in mind. We are still in the second gear of the bull run. And guys, smart contracts, come on. Having smart contracts on Casper, not just smart contracts, stable coins, guys, that will trigger the Casper listing frenzy. Excuse me, the wind is kind of blowing a little high. Let me raise this window a little bit. Let me raise that up there. There you go. That's better. That's better. Okay. Like I was saying, that will trigger excuse me. The listing, it will trigger the listing frenzy. There's a lot of people who don't want to miss on that action. Because last time when we have this 4-hour listing, the miners made a lot of money because there was like 50-60 million Casper coins being like paid in gas fees. Imagine what exchanges are going to make when you have like DeFi and everything else on it. And that's what I'm telling you guys. These guys, they are companies, they are businesses. They want to make as much money from a project, just as you and I. I'm holding Casper for the longest, or the long run. There are people that are bearish. That's fine by me. Okay, that's fine by me. Now, once Casper start getting listed on Kraken, on Binance, on Coinbase, that's what I'm telling you guys. This thing will run past $1 in a record time. Now, it's up. Depends on you, what you're doing. Are you just watching it? What are you doing? Are you just watching and let everybody else make the money while you sit there and watch? Or are you making a move about it? What are you doing? Excuse me, lower a little bit. Right there. Right there. So what are you doing about it? Are you just going to sit there, let everybody else make the money? Or are you going to be part of the people that take advantage of this opportunity? It's the same thing I always tell you guys. People think the coins that we are trading, which is Casper, Quant, Jasmine, people think this month everything is going to crash. And I'm telling you guys, again, you see, exchange listings are coming up for Casper. These coins, if you go, let's say, yesterday I told you guys, go to the RSI and MACD. Look on the daily, weekly, and monthly. You are going to see that these coins are severely oversold. Severely, like really flat down, oversold. And that, my guys, that's guys, I'm telling you guys, this is the beginning of the next leg up. While everybody's so afraid, this is about to trigger the price to start running upwards. That's what is about to happen. But anyways, you sit there and ask yourself, like, oh, Casper doesn't have no tier 1 exchanges. Oh, maybe they will going to list it next year. And I'm telling you guys, it's not happening next year. It's sooner than you think. It's sooner. I even heard somebody saying, oh, they're waiting for the price of Bitcoin to start going up. And I'm telling you guys, Casper The development team is not looking for that. That is the reason why during the bull run, every other coin was dumping, Casper was going up. The same phenomena, if you look on the charts, look at it. Casper usually retrace 30-40%. We have already retraced what, 39%, thereabout. Casper is about to take off. It's up to you. If you want to sit on the side and watch everybody else make the money while you are not doing it, it's up to you. But I'm telling you guys, it's about to happen. It's taking time. Okay? Oh, come on. Excuse me. Oh crap, I dropped it. It's just a ticking time. That's what's happening right now. Okay. Anyways, now let's go right quick. Let's go look at the market, the way it has been performing for the past 24 hours. Okay, let's go look at that with my crypto bubbles. Crypto bubbles right there. Yesterday I told you guys this that was happening is just a temporary price action. The weekends normally they are not like price events on the weekend. Sometimes it's not taken serious. Okay, it's not being taken that serious. But we usually see what will happen next week start to transform during the weekend. So as you can see, the market is already starting to look green for the past hour. Look on the past day, it's already started to look green. Like I told you guys, it was going to happen. So everybody who was being afraid of the market going down, going lower, Bitcoin hit that major support at $51,000 and bounced from there. It's like forming a W on that. But anyways, let's go look at the coins that we are trading on this My Millionaire journey. Let's go look at first King Casper. See that? For the past hour, Casper is up 0.5%, 1.3% up on the past day, 9.9% down on the week, 8.3% down on the month, 266 up on the year. Now, let's look at Quant, QNT. Excuse me. QNT. See that? 1.3% up for the past hour, 5% up for the past day. Now you have 3.7% down on the week, 2.5% down on the month, and look at again the number on the yearly, 39.3% down on the year. The number is beginning to move again. Now look at the Jasmine, JAS. Okay, excuse me, Jasmine. For the past hour, 1.4% up, 1.1% down on the day, 5.1% down on the week, 15.9% down on the month, and 375% up on the year. Again, for me, Jasmine is still a little bearish until we cross that 2.3 cents. After we cross that, guys, I think Jasmine will be very, very bullish on the short term. But right now, that's what we're looking for. We're waiting for that price to take action to go to 2.3, 2.4 cents. Once it goes past that, guys, blue skies. Anyways, now let's go look at the price in a little bit more details on TradingView, because I hate to say it, but I told you so. Excuse me. I hate to say it, but I told you so. I just have to make sure you look at my face when I tell you that again. But anyways, let's go right quick on TradingView right quick. Excuse me. TradingView. Not here. Not here. Right here. TradingView. On charts. No, I like to start with King Casper. The king always first. So Casper, let's go with Mexi. This is on the weekly. Yeah, I know it's a little bit messy. I had a bunch of lines, a bunch of lines going on. But anyway, let's go down the lower time frame. So here, anyway, let's start on the weekly. As you can see, again, guys, nothing changed. It got like oversold. Look at how fast it got bought. Again, we're still in between this channel right here. The top side of the channel being at 17.2, 17.3. And the bottom side of the channel being at 14.4, 14.5. So You look at that, it's just bouncing in between that channel that started all the way back here in June. If you can see, we've been going up, down, up, down, up. So that's what we're doing. We're just up, down. Sometimes broke out, did the all-time high, came right back into it. So right now, Casper is doing just that, just ranging. So if we go on the, let's go on the daily. On the daily, again, see, on the daily, you can see we're into this downward channel, which for me, I think we gotta break it first before you see anything happening. It's a big resistance right here. Oh, excuse me, let me change that color. Let me change that color of that arrow. It's a little bit, let me change it to something a little bright. Let's see, white. Nope. Nope, not white. I'm going to change it to here, light blue. Okay, that's better. And I go back here. That's better. You can see this channel is a resistance right here. This resistance is what we need to break. So far so good. As you can see, we came back, touched the bottom of the channel, and we are now chugging along. I'm expecting this thing to start to go towards breaking this upside of the channel, turn it into support, then go try the middle resistance, which is at 15.7, 15.8, and then start going up to get back into this support on the ascending triangle. From there, it's all blue skies. Now you can also look at it like yesterday. I told you guys this thing was about to reverse, and a lot of you, congratulations if you took the trade, because you made a lot of profit out of it. You see, yesterday I was telling you guys we were down here testing this bottom and we're about to break. That's exactly what happened. Went above the support, broke above into the ribbon. Now the ribbon is what is serving as a resistance. Again, look at how it is curving. Okay, so I'm expecting Casper to, there's two moves right here pending. It might come down, retest the support, and then take off, and this time break this resistance. Or we might see Casper having this little breather, then take off, try the ribbon, then the resistance, and break away from it. Now, easier way, you can see it if you go on the 1 hour. Let's look at the 1 hour right quick. See, exactly. It's already happening while I'm making this video. It is already happening. Let me close this. Look at that. It's already happening while I'm making the video. See, came down, touch, went above the ribbon. Look at that. Got rejected. Now we're about to use the ribbon as support. Look at that candle. We have 45 minutes. Probably is going to be green. When it's green, that means about to start going up again to retry this resistance up here. That's what we're about to do for Casper. So for Casper, guys, I am still very, very bullish on Casper due to what's coming on this month. The KRC20 getting released and possible tier 1 exchanges, guys, they are also going to start listing Casper. That's what I think. But anyways, now let's go look at Quant, QNT right now. Let's go my Binance right here. See, the same thing I told you guys yesterday. I hate to say it, but hey, I told you so. Look at that. Told you guys, look, we came and touched it, and I told you guys there's two things here. We have this support and we have this support. Look at what the price did. Price came down, they bought it, bounce, and this, we were somewhere around here when I told you guys this is about to start going up. Look at that. Quant went above. Now is using the ribbon, because I told you guys the ribbon was curving. These are simple things that you got to look at the ribbon, look at the MACD, look at the RSI. Those three things will tell you what the trend is about to start doing. Look at the ribbon was curving, and I told you guys we were still down here and the ribbon was already starting to make sign. So we are above it right now. I'm expecting Quant to go above, try the 200 moving average, go above it and start moving up. So yeah, excuse me, let me close this right quick. Yeah, so if we go in a little, in a little bit of a higher time frame, like on the 4 hourly, again, see that it's happening just like I told you guys. Look at the ribbon. See how the ribbon is curving? So again, that's a lot of momentum, a lot of power to tell me that Quant is about to start going up, try to get above the ribbon and go try the moving average, and then the resistance up here $65. That's what Quant is about to start doing. Again, I won't get tired of telling you guys, you got to zoom out. When you zoom out, let's see on the weekly, look, it is all noise. All the thing that you're watching, it is all noise. The noise of that, meaning that something bigger is coming. Something bigger is coming on this price action. Because if you look, this was a big resistance on the weekly. Finally, we broke above it. It's normal for price to come back and retest that resistance and then start to take off. That's what's happening right now. That's what is happening. And you guys can look at it when you zoom out. When you zoom out, you begin to see that once we break out of it, okay, the immediate target is up there, 124, 125. That's what it is. So for me, guys, Quant is doing what it is supposed to do. I told you guys, everybody expecting a $20, $30 Quant. I don't think that is possible because Quant is about to take off. Look at the price action. Price is already back up again at $60. So Quant is getting ready. Stablecoin policies, guys, do not sleep on this. This is one of the major things that is about to drive Quant beyond the moon. That's what is happening right now. So anyways, now let's go look at Jasmine right quick. Jasmine, like I said, is the only coin that I'm still a little bit bearish on this on the short term. Okay, that's the only coin I'm still a little bit bearish because I want to see Jasmine. Let me zoom out. I want to see Jasmine break above 2.3 cents. I don't know how many times I've said it, and you guys should probably know why. Because you see, this is a falling wedge that the Jasmine has been forming, okay, on the weekly. So I'm expecting the price to go try to break above it, this 2.3 cents, and the next one is going to be around here at 3.7, 3.8 cents. Okay, but I am still very bullish for Jasmine because as you see when I zoom out again, there are two bullish patterns that Jasmine formed. Two bullish patterns, two ones that are, guys, first one is this bull flag that broke out, so that's a fake out, came back, and the second one is this falling wedge. Falling wedge are very bullish because when they break out, they usually go back at the origin of the wedge, and the origin of this wedge is around 4.5 cents. 4.5 cents. There's not much resistance. We have resistance at 4.5 cents. Then Jasmine is going to move to 6 cents. Then we have the target of this bull flag, which is around 9 cents. We have a little bit resistance at 12 cents. Then 15 cents. The ultimate resistance for me, which I'm saying, guys, you should pay a lot of attention, is at 20 cents. Okay, so excuse me for a second. Let me do this right quick. Right there. So like I've said, this presents an opportunity. You can either 5, 10, or even 20x your money. Okay, again, it's not financial advice. I'm only showing you guys what I am doing. Only if you do have experience and if you know what you're doing. But if you do, you can go down below. I have my Bydfi and Phemex links. Sign up, meet their requirement on their what you call deposit requirements, and start trading. When you start trading, you can follow me, follow somebody, or do you. Excuse me. It don't really matter to me. What matters to me, as again, is that in 10 to 12 months from now, we can sit here and compare notes on how much money we make. That's what really matters to me. Okay, hopefully we probably plan it together and everybody goes to Dubai and we do a meetup over there. That is what is important to me, that you can be financially free. Excuse me. Now, that being said, let's go right quick, check on my positions, see how we've been doing since the last update yesterday. We're going to start first with my Bydfi. Bydfi, here are my long-term trades, okay? The only reason I move, excuse me, the only reason I moved my Bydfi Jasmine trade to Phemex is because here, they did not allow me to do a 50x trade on Jasmine. That's why I moved it there. So anyways, now let's go look. As you can see, my overall right now, we are still at 8,400. You can see right there. Again, this right here, I'm gonna show you guys in 10 months from now. The goal is to turn it into a 6 figures account before the bull run is over with. So now looking at my contract, you can see it's even getting better. You remember my Quant yesterday? My Quant was like what, negative 20, negative 30%. Go back on my videos and you will see. But as you can see today, my Quant is up. It's getting to be positive 11%, which is around $870, $860. Casper, I was down 60, negative 64, 65%. You guys remember? And of course, I taught you guys yesterday how to scale up your trade. But I'm down today. Look at that, negative 40%, which for me is okay, because I don't know this thing is about to run. A little patience, guys, because look, once Quant starts to move, let's say for example, Quant goes up to let's say $200. This position will make me $34,000 already. Once Quant starts to move, let's say a little bit above the all-time high, $450, this position will make me $97,000. You see that? The same thing goes with Casper. I'm not worried about Casper because I know Casper is a big money printer. Once Casper starts to move, let's say 0.4 at 40 cents, excuse me, this position will make me $15,000. At 60 cents, which I think is the next leg up for this price action coming, is it will make me around $29,000. With the exchange coming, exchange listing, I'm not surprised that before December we might see Casper at $1. At $1, this position will make me $56,000. Again, I'm doing this, mine is moving, it will start moving that fast, either up or downwards, because I am a very aggressive trader. Guys, I trade at 50x. You guys already know that. I trade at 50x. Don't do like me if you don't know what you're doing, okay? 50x leverage. So anyways, now let's go look for my Phemex. Looking at my Phemex, let me sign in. My overall for my Phemex, I'm up to date 10,700. Yesterday, you guys remember, we were hovering around 10,005, 10,002. We are up to date 700. Again, I told you guys price recovery was imminent. Looking at my contracts or my Jasmine, which I'm still very bearish on in the short term, is down 35%. 35%, which is around $4,000 right there. On my Casper, I'm still down 30%, which is around 1,400 right there. Again, do not trade like me. I trade very aggressively, 50x and 50x. That's my leverage I trade with. Again, because once price starts to move, I will make a lot of money out of it. For example, my Jasmine trade, let's see, like I told you guys, 4.5 cents is the first stop, 0.045. This position will make me $18,000. Next stop will be 6 cents. This position will make me $30,000 at 6 cents. Next stop will be 9 cents. At 9 cents, this position will make me $55,000. Next stop will be 12 cents or 13, because there's a little bit of resistance right there. Let's say 13 cents. This position will make me $88,000. Okay. Next stop is the ultimate target. I'm telling you guys, 20 cents. At 20 cents, this position will make me $146,000. Okay. Now, me, I will reevaluate the market, look at how things are going, probably close the trade. But if we are still halfway, let's say just the fourth gear or the third gear on this bull run, I will keep it open, because that means Jasmine is about to shoot to 60 cents. So 60 cents, this position will make me $477,000. Then we'll reevaluate. If it goes higher, let's say $1, this position will make me $807,000. Those are the numbers that I am looking at when it comes to Jasmine. Okay, Casper, you guys already know. Okay, with the listing coming, I think Casper minimum it will be 60 cents. That will make me $34,000 on this. Or if it goes crazy and it goes to $1 before December, this position will make me $66,000. Again, like I said, that is how we roll on this. So let me go back here. Excuse me. Again, it's up to you if you want to miss the opportunity or not. But for me, guys, tier 1 exchanges, they're about to start listing Casper. Right? I'm telling you, time is running out. That being said, guys, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, we're trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers. Please share so that other people like you and I with the millionaire minds, we can, share ideas and get, get to make more money than before. And again, please comment, like, and turn on your notifications. Okay, I would like to know your opinions. I will try to respond to as many questions as possible. If just write them down for me. All right, that being said, guys, please take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in my next one. And I apologize for my voice because I'm a little bit under the weather. As you can see, I'm kind of forcing myself right now to get this information out for you guys. That being said, please, again, take good care of yourselves, and bye-bye.